Hi, I'm Paul at One Man One Dog. So it's a dry day today, but we've had terrible weather over the weekend. It's hammered it down and a few rivers have burst the banks. So we're going to go down to Boarshaw Clough because apparently it flooded. So that's where we're off and let's do it. Two poos in 6 minutes. About the 15th way piddle. It's a park. You can see grey skies. Wait on. As you can see, it's a really muddy colour, like it's all been stirred up, and it's quite high too. Right, we want to walk around to the river because that's what flooded, so come on. As you can see, the trees fell over, the ground's really wet. Check this. Now that's a big tree. This way, lots of mud. Go on under. Look at that, huge. Wait there, you. Wait, that's a good lad. Good boy. He's a good little lad, aren't you? You can see there, all the reed beds flattened. Completely flattened. So we'll walk round to there. Go on, under again. Wait there. Oh, little ducks. Surprised the brown one not moving. Come on, leave them. You're a good boy, aren't you? Right, let's walk down onto the reed bed. Come on. Look, it's flooded all up there, broke its banks. That's quite high. See where it's come off a river here. Come on. Come on, I'm dragging you again. Look at that. That's totally different. So as you can see, the river forks there. So two rivers meet and it's just flooded here. Come on, watch where you're walking. Come on. Used to be boardwalks here to walk on, completely covered. Goodbye. Well, you couldn't have come down here on weekend. You would have got swept away. Come on, dragging you again. But the wildlife love it now. Another way. A little more in. Look at all this. It's really flowed into here. You can see the river's right at the side.